Hello, students. Good morning, all of you. Today, I, Rabindra Mohan Misra, from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College, Batho, am taking the class of Shastri first. We are facing Corona. That is why we are interlinked through online classes. Today, we read verb. Earlier also, we have seen what is verb and its kind. Today, we read either it is transitive verb or intransitive verb in the given sentences. For this, today we see here first Ram eats. Eats is here a verb, but it is intransitive verb because it does not indicate any noun. Ram eats. Only it says what he eats. It is not given here. That is why it is intransitive verb. Next, he eats slowly. Here it is also a intransitive verb because here is a word slowly. It shows manner of verb but does not indicate any object. That is why here it is intransitive verb. Third one is Sita eats rice. Here it is transitive verb. Why? Because here it's Sita eats what she eats? Rice. Next one is I go to school every day. Here go is also a intransitive verb. It only tells about action but does not tells about object. Next one is they are coming. They are coming soon. Here is coming. It is intransitive verb. Why? Because it's only says soon, but from where it comes, it does not say, it does not indicate. Next one is he reads in the class. In the class. Here he reads. What he reads is not given. That is why here it reads is intransitive verb. Next one is he reads slowly and carefully. Here is also reads, but what he reads, which book he reads does not indicate. That is why here reads is also intransitive verb. Now we see the next. He reads a book. Here reads is transitive verb because it shows an object, a book. What he is doing? He is reading and reading book. Reads here is of transitive verb. Next one is he My father teaches me. My father teaches me. Here is teaches is verb, but it is intransitive verb because teaches me English, Hindi, Mathli, that does not indicates, it does not show any object. It is intransitive verb. My father, my father teaches me English. Here is teaches is transitive verb because it shows what he teaches me English. Next one is my father teaches in the morning. Here will be teaches is intransitive verb. We see there are three teaches comes. In it teaches only me, to which she teaches me, that does not object. Here teaches what? Teaches in the morning. Here is also, it is also intransitive verb. Here is transitive verb because it teaches me English. It is clear. Do you play in the morning? Here play is verb, but here play is intransitive verb. Which game you play is not given here. It is not clear here. That is why play only indicates transitive intransitive verb. Now we come the next one. Birds fly in the sky. Here fly is intransitive verb. Why? Birds fly, it shows only its action. It has no object. It does not any indication of any object term. That is intransitive verb. They are flying cats. They are flying kites. Here is flying is transitive verb because it object is here given kite. वह जो है पतंग उड़ा रहा है. That is why flying here is transitive verb. Now next one is wait. We eat thrice a day. Here it is also intransitive verb. What we eat is not given.